The girl who lost her way. There is a rainy forest. She don't know what way ahead, but she had to go on. The stray dog was walking farther ahead than the girl. The stomach was rumbling, so the dog couldn't stand still. Oh, la 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 la, they were worlds apart, but fate must have brought them together. Had to laugh and take shelter from the rain. Had to laugh and take shelter from the rain. And that's it. The dog knew this cliff ahead, so she told the girl that. The girl said, "Why don't you stop?" The dog didn't like that word. Oh, la 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 la, they were worlds apart. They walked down the same street without conversation. Had to laugh and take shelter from the rain. Had to laugh and take shelter from the rain. That dog was starving, she could eat the girl, but dog didn't want that. 'Cause the dog knew it, her time was drawing near. She could live on anything she eat anyway. Still she couldn't just stop walking, even if it just fall off the cliff. She just could not stop. The girl followed the dog, just looking for warmth, even if it does fall off a cliff. Oh, la 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 la, they were worlds apart. Oh, la 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 la, they were so close. Had to laugh and take shelter from the rain. It was what a girl needed. For the first time, the dog knew what she looked like in the girl's eyes. She hung out to rain on the girl. The rain never stopped, but when they looked up at the sky, they found a break in the clouds.